So, as you may notice, I am full glam, which is very, very rare for me. But yeah, keep watching the video to see how I create this beautiful Christmassy look. I'm going to start off with my L'Oreal Infallible Magic Essence Drops. These are really brightening, and I put them across my cheekbones and on top of my forehead, and a bit more across this cheekbone because it doesn't look like it's there. Whee! This drips. It's like the Farcelli drops. They're just a bit more hydrated. We get primer and concealer. I have 2 different concealers and my primer. So as you all know, I use the Essence I Heart Colour Intensifying Colour things primer. I'm going to need the concealer later because I might do a cheeky little cut crease. So I'm just shoving this over my eyelids and then up into by my brow. I'm going to take my little baby Morphe sponge, which was the Morphe Jeffree Star collection. I think you can still get it if it's available. I'll leave it down below. Blend that out over my eye. We're going into the under eye. Today I'm going to take the Revolution Fast Base Conceal in the shade C2 and just put that all over my under eyes. If you can hear any sounds, it's probably my nan. I'm going to move a little bit forward so you can see me a bit better. Welcome to my face. And then I'm just going to take a normal Morphe black blending brush and blend that under my eye. Then I am going to take my little brow powder, and this is Peaches and Cream in the shade medium dark brown, and just do my eyebrows the way I normally do, which is with an angled brush and a spoolie. So I'm just going to brush my eyebrows out. Yes, today I'm wearing Memeless merch. My jumper says Virgin. And just brush my eyebrows out and then colour my eyebrows in. Now I have eyebrows. I never normally have eyebrows, but now I have eyebrows. See, my camera doesn't want to focus on my face. So this is my face. Camera, focus. Then I'm just going to go in with my Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3 and put that through my eyebrows just so they're set. I feel like one of my eyebrows is darker than the other, but that's normally how they are. Next, I am going to go in with my foundation. Today I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation in the shade Light 44. Cool. I've got cool undertones apparently. Hello, have I actually locked this? Nope, it's coming out. It just got stuck. I don't use this foundation anymore. I used to use it all the time, and then I'm just going to blend it across my face. What the hell is going on there? I have no foundation on my top. I used this foundation 2 days ago, and now it wants to be in the ear. There you go, there's what you want. I think it's coming to the end of its lifespan, so it's just cutting up, because I think the bottle's nearly empty, but I haven't really used more foundation, so we blend across the face, on the ear, and down here. This is probably my best match foundation. I have a one from Too Faced that's very, very pale, but then again I am normally stupidly pale. I hope this looks better on camera than it does in this mirror. This mirror hates me. But it looks fine on camera. And then across this ear. Why will it not attach to this patch here? It's like I'm really pink there, like here I'm really pink and nothing to cover it. Love life! Next I'm just going in with my all-nighter. I've got foundation on my nails. All-nighter setting powder in the shade Translucent, and yeah, with a Morphe Jeffree Star JS2 brush, and just smothering this over my face. So as you can tell by the title, it's a bit of a Christmassy look. It's a bit of like a Christmas party look. I am going in with my James Charles palette because it's easiest to use, and then I don't have to use like several palettes. I have 1,000,001 brushes with me because I didn't know what I was doing, and now I've decided what I'm doing. I'm going to do a very, very Christmassy look. I'm going to do like a red and green sort of look, which could go terribly or could go really well. So I am going to take this red shade here, this one, on a Zoeva Luxe Petite crease brush and start working that into my crease. Just go up here into this part of your crease and start blending. This is going to look scary till it looks good. I hope everyone realises that. And then I'm going to take it here and start blending that way. And then just keep blending. This looks so good. So, you look a little crazy at the moment. And then I'm going into with a Morphe 433 brush. It's an M433 brush. And going into this light green right in this corner. As I said when I did Liv's makeup for Halloween, I will leave that in the eye if I remember. I don't really use greens. And it's not really a colour that I use due to the fact I have very green eyes. This green has shit tons of fallout. So I'm just blending that into the outer corner because I'm going to go nuts and put glitter in this crease. Just so I have a bit more of that colour everywhere. And then it's not just red, green. Obviously. I feel like I look like an elf that should be working in Santa's workshop at this present moment. This gorgeous like browny red shade here on a... No, that's not the brush I wanted. I picked up the wrong brush. On, there you go, a Morphe E17 brush. And then with small little circles, I'm going to put this into the outer corner. Really deepen it up and slightly smoke it. Everything I do is slightly smoky. I've realised this. This is my life. I know this. Slightly with a darker green. Yet again on the M456 brush with the slightly darker green. And just build up slightly to where the green and the red meet, just to deepen it. And this colour just looks a bit more like a Christmas tree to me, and I've just realised that. So the red's more like our base, and then it's like slightly being buffed out, but it's fine. Then we are going to go in with, I think I'm sitting on the brush I need. Probably. Nope, it's on my lap. Well done, Alex. I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star C1 concealer and do a bit of a cut crease on a Morphe M410 brush. I don't really do cut creases, so this is going to go well. I hate doing these. I'm basically just going to colour my eyelid. I didn't listen very much. She told me she was crazy from the start. Cut crease. I'm going in with... Where's my A10 brush? I definitely washed it, as you can see. I'm going in with the Barry M Glitter Fixer Gel and basically smothering this on my eyelids. I start with my right lid and then I'll go on to my left lid. I am placing this slightly, I'm doing, you can see where I'm placing it, but I'm not doing it all the way to the inner corner because I love a bright pop in the inner corner. And then I am taking the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the shade Gold. This is one of my favourite shades that they make. And it goes everywhere. Pre-warning, it goes everywhere. These are loose glitters. They're only about £7. They are absolutely brilliant and they are like a staple in my life. And a little goes a long way. I realised I should have done this. No, never do glitter first. I never do glitter first just for the fact... Oh my god, I'm getting it all over the palette. Just for the fact that many glitter looks of mine, I do lashes, I do liner. I think I'm doing liner today. And slowly but surely just pack it on to your lid. And you'll end up with glitter brilliance. Hence the name. I'm really precise when it comes to glitter. I don't remember the last time I used gold. Normally I use silver. Silver makes my eyes pop better, and I just feel like silver's a better colour for a night out. Hello! Does my camera want to focus on my actual face? Maybe, maybe not. And then I go in with a little powder brush and just sweep away any excess on my face, because glitter gets everywhere. For my eyes, I'm going to go in with another Morphe M46 brush. Yet again, the James Charles palette, because I thought I'd do one palette, and go in with the... Now I've got black on my hand. Go in with the light shade up here. And this is my inner corner colour. Brush I use the light green on just to top over the red at the top, just to complete the look. This gold is very green toned, so it helps that I'm going back over. And it also helps blend. Blending is your best friend. I'm just going to go in with the Slim Liner by Bourjois and wing my eyeliner out. Then I am going to just put a coat of mascara on for the moment. I use the Too Faced Queen Size Mascara. You can use whatever mascara you want. I am going to put lashes on, so hence why I'm only doing a lighter coat. Normally I do quite a heavy coat of mascara. Wonder Stick and just contour my face. This is in light medium. So I take it under my cheekbones and my forehead, because I hate my forehead, and just along my nose. Then I'm taking a clean Morphe brush, blending sponge, and just blending that in. Ta-da! Then I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star powder on a powder brush and just put this all over my face. I know I've already put powder all over my face, but this stuff is so finely milled. It smells amazing, and it just sets my face a lot better, and it just looks a bit more airbrushed with this powder. It's now everywhere. I haven't used it in a while, because I'm scared I'm going to run out and restock with Jeffree Star products. I'm going in with a Spectrum A05 brush and just bronzing up my face to give me a bit more colour, because yes, it's Christmas season, but we should still have colour, because I am pale as a ghost and sometimes I just don't look like I have colour. And I'm just taking this in small circular motions basically all around my face, just to bronze it up where I would naturally have bronzer, even though I don't tan. Highlight is last. I'm then just going to set my face quickly. Next, I am going to put on a pair of lashes from Pamland. These are the Slay the Look lashes. It says adults use only, and these have little gold accents on them. Look how cute they are. So these are what I'm going to put on my eyelashes, if I can get into the box. So all I do with lashes is I use the Revlon latex free precision clear eyelash glue, put it over. I only use strip lashes, I can't use individual lashes. I've never tried, but I know for a fact I'd end up failing. I just put it along the band. This glue is amazing, especially if you're allergic to latex. It's one of the best ones. And I never hear anyone rave about it, but it is my absolute favourite. It's the only thing I've ever used when I use lashes. Sit along your lash line. Anyone else have problems with inner corner of your false lashes? Because I know it's not just a me problem. Is where I go in with my trusty cotton bud. I make sure my lashes are as close to my lash line as possible, and then I press them down with the cotton bud. You put your saliva on it. Obviously these are my eyes, so I wouldn't do this to anyone I did their makeup for, but you put it so it doesn't stick. And the corner of these lashes does not want to stick to my eyes. Because tell me a set of lashes that are that pretty for £1. You can see the corner again, but they've got little gold accents and everything, and they're so cute. Apart from this goddamn corner. I'm now covered in glitter as well. But they're okay for like a simple night out. Once you're done with them, throw them away. They will not be able to be reusable. That's what I will say. Last few steps is I'm going to take the Opera Highlight in Blissful on a Morphe M501 brush, and then just dust this over the tops of my highlights. This is such a pretty highlight. It's fucking stunning. Like, look at it. Look at it in that light. And then my nose, highlight the centre, and highlight a cupid's bow. My like non-existent cupid's bow. So this is a very like wow highlight, and my camera makes it look darker than it is. Last but not least, lips. I am going to take the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collab in Are You Filming? And this is like a bright red lippy. And yeah. So here it is, the final Christmassy look. I absolutely adore the eyes. I don't particularly like these lashes, so I'm not going to recommend them. However, just put whatever lashes you want on. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to go to Disneyland. I'll see you all soon. Bye.